Hello friends, my name is Dhavare Rutuja Kashinath. Today we will learn about work done during isothermal reversible process. Isothermal process means during the process temperature of the system remains constant. Reversible process means the process whose direction can be reversed to its original state. The process in which driving force and opposing force are differ from each other in a very small magnitude, and it can be reversed by a small change of state variables. Here driving force means the force exerted by gas on the piston, and opposing force means it is the external force exerted by surrounding. Consider n mole of an ideal gas filled in a cylinder having cross-sectional area A. This cylinder is fitted with the wetless and frictionless piston at temperature T. Let P be the pressure of an enclosed gas. Enclosed gas, that is driving force, which is equal to external pressure acting on piston. External pressure means the opposing force exerted by surrounding. Now, opposing force is reduced infinitesimally small amount dP. Then new external pressure will be P minus dP. Due to decrease in external pressure, volume of a gas increases infinitesimally small, that is dV, and final volume of gas is V2. It means due to decrease in external pressure, the volume of a gas is increases from V1 to V2. Therefore, we can write dV is equal to V2 minus V1. So here work is done in the expansion of gas when the volume of a gas increases from V1 to V2 is given by dW is equal to P minus dP into dV. Therefore, P into dV minus dP into dV, but here dP into dV is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write dW is equal to P into dV. This is equation number 1. But the process is carried out isothermally and reversibly. Then total work done is obtained by integrating equation 1 between their limits. Therefore, integration of dW is equal to integration of P into dV between their limits V1 to V2. This is equation number 2. But we know that for n mole of an ideal gas, PV is equal to nRT. Therefore, we can write P is equal to nRT divided by V. This is equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, we can write integration of dW is equal to integration of nRT divided by V into dV between their limits V1 to V2. But here nRT is a constant, therefore we have to keep it out of the integration. Therefore nRT integration of 1 upon V into dV between their limits V1 to V2. Therefore W is equal to nRT. We know that the integration of 1 upon V into dV is nothing but ln of V between their limits V1 to V2. Here we can write W is equal to nRT ln of V2 minus ln of V1. Here W is equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 divided by V1. This is equation number 4. We know that Boyle's law. So according to Boyle's law, we know that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Pressure is inversely proportional to the volume in Boyle's law. Therefore, P1 upon P2 is equal to V2 upon V1. This is equation number 5. So, from equation 4 and 5, we can write W is equal to 2.303 nRT into log P1 upon P2. This is the equation for work done during isothermal reversible process. Thank you.